Hello, I'm Noreen Burke, owner of Call Clutter Fairy Home Organizing, and this is my YouTube channel, The Crafty Organizer. Today I want to share with you some of the best home organizing products that you can find on a budget. One of the very first ones that I love sharing with my homeowners when I'm organizing, and I have in my own home, are the 3M Command broom holders. I love these for a couple of reasons. Number one, they are super easy to install. They don't require putting in any holes or messing with tools, and they work great. I use three. I have one in my house for a broom. I have another one for my outside broom, but there's some creative ways that you can use these that you might not have thought of. I use one to hold up my step stool. I don't have a place to slide it in so that it won't fall over and it's out of the way. By using the broom holder around the handle of the step stool, I'm able to stand it up so it's not a tripping hazard, but I can still easily get access to it. These are a pretty affordable thing. You can find these at Target, Walmart, Kmart, your bigger stores like Lowe's and Home Depot. Depending upon where you live, they'll have different chains, but they should be right around $5 or $6. You can also get them on Amazon. I do have an affiliate link below for my Amazon store filled with my favorite things, so please check that out. The prices will be the exact same for you, but you will be able to support me and my channel because I make a couple of pennies for each sale. I made $29 last month, which is a huge help considering I haven't been working through the pandemic, so thank you. Another product I really like are the vacuum bags. Now, I did a video before on how to use these, how to find the most success and which ones you should be using. So check out that video. I'll have that link in the description below also. But the bags that you get from the Dollar Tree are great for small project and small products. So if you're trying to do multiples that are really big and you want to definitely shrink them small, go ahead and invest with the name brands like Ziploc or Space Bag, but make sure you use that coupon from whichever store you're buying them from. One of my favorites that I bring to every job that I go with, and I have them throughout my house, is the simple Stair Light shoebox. I love these for breaking down categories. They're wonderful in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the craft room, even in the garage. What I like about these is they're small enough to manage. They usually handle one complete category, and if you need to break it down, you can still fit smaller bags or smaller boxes inside, which makes them the perfect organizing tool. Now, this is one of the few items that I have in my Amazon store, but I don't recommend getting unless you simply can't find them anyplace else or you need a large quantity. Amazon sells them in packages of, I think, 6 and up, and they charge almost $20. So that means that these are almost $4 a piece, which is crazy. The other thing I don't recommend is buying the Dollar Tree brand. And you know I love Dollar Tree, but the brand that they carry has a different lid and it is not as sturdy. And I found that if you stack these boxes up, which is the other thing that's so amazing about these, is you could stack a couple of them on your shelf, the dollar store brand lid collapses, and that's kind of problematic to me. But the most important reason is you can find the Stair Light brand for under $1, usually between 75 and 88 cents at Walmart, at Target, at Kmart. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know I always rave about these little white boxes that you can get from the Dollar Tree. I love these. They're almost the exact same product as the Rubbermaid brand. They have the little rubber feet, they have rubber insets, they're very sturdy, they come in different colors, and they come in different sizes. They nest within each other. You can change. I love these. The Rubbermaid brand is about $6 a piece for these, and these are $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree, or as you can see, you get them in 2 packs. So when you can stumble upon these little white boxes, I have them throughout my house. I seriously hardly ever get to leave a client's house without using these, and this is how I subcategorize in drawers or into bins or those shoe boxes I just showed. So when you find these, grab them. Right now I think they're carrying them in white, black, and some stores are starting to carry gray. So another item you see me using often, and I don't have any big sheets right now, but foam core. I hadn't started playing with this until I was looking for storage solutions for paper, and I came up with this crazy idea of cutting this up and gluing it together to make a paper holder. And I was so excited to share it with you guys. And then as I was uploading it and searching for keywords, I realized that I wasn't the first one to think of this, but it was kind of funny because I really thought I had just invented sliced bread. But the multi-uses of foam core are incredible. If you're not familiar with what it is, it's a very strong foam with paper on the outside to lend more strength to it. And you can cut it super easily. It glues well together. It tapes well together. So you get a sheet from the Dollar Tree. And I know not everybody has access to the Dollar Tree, and I'm sorry. But there are Dollar Generals. There's the Pound Store if you're in England. I know there's other discount stores. And Amazon does sell them in packages that aren't too expensive. They still break down to about $1.50 per sheet. But these are 20 by 30 inches. And basically you can cut it and configure it to manage just about anything you need. So I've made paper organizers. I made a desk organizer. I've made drawers, and I've made them into dividers for a drawer. So limitless uses for organizing and getting yourself decluttered. My last favorite, and they have a name, but I call them my bins. So whenever I'm working at a job and I'm talking to any of my girls that work with me, I'll say, hey, go get some of my bins. And they know I'm talking about these white locker bins from the Dollar Tree. This is just about the most incredible thing I've ever seen. Number one, they fit inside standard kitchen cabinets. Most kitchen cabinets are 10 inches deep, which is crazy because how many of us have 12-inch dinner plates? But that's a whole different video. So these fit lengthwise onto pantry shelves, which makes them ideal in kitchens. But they also work great in bathrooms, in garages, in craft rooms, because you can label them, you can easily pull them out. They're not overly heavy, they hold a lot, and as you can see, you can make them pretty and fit your own decor by just doing a tiny bit. These come in so many different colors, so if you're able to get to a Dollar Tree, this is my number one recommendation. And if you don't happen to find them in the store, you can buy them online and have them shipped to your store and pick them up at no charge, or just have them shipped straight to your house. So locker bins, my number one. And if you're roaming through your store, I've said this before, but I mean it. Every time I'm driving around, if I'm going to different cities, different states, I will literally map out dollar stores and hit them. And I've been known to buy 65 of them at once because I love being able to offer something this affordable, streamlined, and efficient to my clients. So those are just a few of my best home organizing products that I love sharing with my clients on a budget. And I love having these options for myself so that I'm not spending a ton of money. I love changing things around. I love reorganizing and reevaluating systems. And if I haven't had to spend a ton of money investing on that organization system, I don't feel so badly changing it and tweaking it. So check out some of those. If you have used any of these, please leave me a comment and let me know how you've used them. And if you've found something new, share that too. I love going ahead and checking out new products and sharing that information with other viewers. I also wanted to take a second really quick. I got some new friend mail this week and had so much fun opening it. So here's a couple of the things that I got, and I wanted to say thank you to them. I am loving this Pen Pal program. If you're not familiar with this, I know a lot of you are home or don't have as many friends and family around as you would like, so it gets a little bit lonely. In the description below, I have a P.O. box. If you would like to send a card or a note to me, I love receiving the mail, and I am so happy to send something back. But if you would like to just receive a card to help brighten your day, please send me an email to my Gmail account below. Let me know what your address is, and I'm happy to send something out to try and brighten your day. I've got a ton of cards going out this week. Some of these are thank yous for things that have been sent to me, which I appreciate so much. But a couple of you have sent things anonymously, which I really wish you would go ahead and let me know who you are so I could thank you. If you don't want me to mention you on the channel, I promise I'll always respect that request. But please allow me to give a thank you card to you because I hate not knowing who has been so generous and thoughtful to me. Someone sent me a roll of stamps so that I can continue sending all of these things out, and trust me, those stamps are going to great use, so thank you so much. Another gal sent me these wonderful postcards, and it's marked 1 of 3, and I'm so excited to see the rest of the postcards, but I don't know who it is. So I've also gotten some artwork sent to me. Another gal made a bunch of lovely cards that I can turn around and share with the pen pal group. So please know how much I appreciate these cards and small gifts that you're sending me. They are really brightening my day, and I would love to return that favor. That's all I have for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you in 2 days. Bye.